The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, is one of the most biodiverse and mysterious places on our planet. Despite centuries of exploration, much of the Amazon remains a frontier, its depths still largely unexplored. Throughout history, various expeditions and studies have revealed only a fraction of the secrets this vast region holds. Let's take an in-depth look into the Amazon's unexplored depths. The earliest European expeditions into the Amazon were driven by the legend of El Dorado, a city made of gold that was said to be hidden deep within the jungle. In the 16th century, Spanish explorer Francisco de Orellana became the first European to navigate the Amazon River, embarking on a perilous journey in search of this mythical city. While Orellana never found El Dorado, his expedition revealed the vastness of the Amazon, a region so immense and impenetrable that even a well-equipped European force could barely survive the journey. In the early 20th century, British explorer Percy Fawcett became obsessed with the idea that a lost civilization existed deep within the Amazon. He believed in the existence of a city he called Zed, a place that could rewrite the history of human civilization. Fawcett's expeditions in the 1920s took him into the most remote and unexplored parts of the Amazon, where he encountered uncharted rivers, impenetrable forests, and indigenous tribes untouched by modern civilization. His final expedition in 1925, however, ended in mystery, as Fawcett and his team disappeared without a trace, leaving behind only speculation and tales of the unexplored Amazon. Even today, the Amazon continues to yield new discoveries. In the last few decades, scientists have catalogued thousands of new species of plants, insects, and animals, many of which were found in previously unexplored regions. The Amazon is estimated to house around 390 billion individual trees belonging to 16,000 species, and many more species are believed to exist that have yet to be discovered. These findings highlight the Amazon's role as a biological frontier, where the unknown still far outweighs the known. The Amazon rainforest remains one of the most enigmatic regions on Earth, with its vastness and complexity continuing to challenge explorers and scientists alike. Despite centuries of exploration, the depths of the Amazon have only been partially unveiled, leaving much of its rich biodiversity and potential ancient civilizations hidden from the world. Early European expeditions, driven by myths like El Dorado, and later quests like Percy Fawcett's search for the lost city of Zed, underscore the enduring allure and danger of the Amazon's unexplored regions. The rainforest's ability to keep its secrets, from undiscovered species to untouched lands, makes it not just a biological frontier but a symbol of the limits of human knowledge. As exploration and research continue, the Amazon will likely reveal more of its mysteries, but it will also remind us that there are still places on our planet where the unknown prevails, keeping the spirit of discovery alive.